Let's solve this integral here. When an integral is given in this form, you may want to consider using partial fraction decomposition. To use partial fraction decomposition, you have to first factor the denominator. Let's see how we can do that. Right away, I can see that x is a common factor. So I can rewrite this as integral of 1 over x times x squared plus 2x plus 1 dx. Now you have a quadratic factor here. Can you factor this out further? Now think about two numbers. When you multiply together give you 1, and when you add together give you 2. That will be 1 and 1. So I can rewrite this as integral of 1 over x times x plus 1 times x plus 1 dx. Knowing that x plus 1 times x plus 1 is the same as x plus 1 all squared. So I can rewrite this as integral of 1 over x times x plus 1 all squared dx. Now we can use the partial fraction method. To use the partial fraction method, I have to write different fractions for each of the factor in the denominator. So the first one will be a over x, that's x here, plus the second term will be b over, now x plus 1. Notice that x plus 1 is to the power of 2. So this is a repeated linear factor. I have to write a fraction for each of the power for this repeated linear fraction. Repeated linear factor plus c over x plus 1 all squared. Okay. Now, this has to be equal to the original integral. So it's 1 over x times x plus 1 all squared. Now, the next thing is, what we have to do is to figure out what a, b, and c is, respectively. To do that, the best thing to do is find the common denominator for these terms and then just group them together. And the best way to do is make each of this denominator the same as the denominator on the right side here. Okay, to do that, for this fraction, I have to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus 1 all squared. So a times x plus 1 all squared over x times x plus 1 all squared. Now plus this term will be b times x plus 1 divided by here x times x plus 1 all squared plus this term here will be c times x over x times x plus 1 all squared. And that's equal to 1 over x times x plus 1 all squared. Okay, now we can group them together. That will be a times x plus 1 all squared plus b times x plus 1 plus c times x all divided by here x times x plus 1 all squared equal to the same thing on this side. X times x plus 1 over x times x plus 1 all squared. Okay, since the denominator on both sides are equal to each other, that means the numerator on both sides will equal to each other. So we can write this now as a times x plus 1 all squared plus b times x plus 1 plus c times x equals to 1. Okay, now we're to solve a, b, and c. The next thing we have to do is expand and distribute. Okay, so that will be a times, we know that this is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus, let's distribute the x. So b times x squared plus x plus cx equals to 1. Now distribute the a and b. So that will be, now a times x squared will be ax squared plus a times 2x will be 2ax plus a times 1 is a plus b times x squared is bx squared plus b times x is bx plus cx equals to 1. Now, group all the like terms together. So the x squared will be grouped with the x squared. So that will be ax squared plus here bx squared, these two. Now, the x terms. So this, and this, plus 2ax plus bx plus cx plus bx plus cx. Now, there's only one constant term, a, plus a is equal to 1. Now, factor out the coefficient in each of the like term together, right? So this one will be a plus b times x squared plus this one will be 2a plus b plus c times x plus a equals to 1. Okay, now look at this. On the right side, there's only a constant 1. And on the left side, a is a constant, so a is equal to 1. But both of these x terms are zeros, and they have to be zeros. In order for this 2x term to be 0, the coefficient need to be 0. So we can say that a plus b is equal to 0. And here, 2a plus b plus c is equal to 0. And we can say that a is equal to 1 here. Okay, now we know a is equal to 1. How can we figure out b and c? Okay, in this equation, there's only a and b, and we only know what a is. So we can plug 1 into a here to calculate what b is. So a is 1, right? Plus b equal to 0. Now b is equal to 0 minus 1. B is equal to negative 1. Now we have a and b figured out. Now we just have to figure out c. And we can plug a and b here and to figure out c, right? So here, a is 1, right? So 2 times 1 plus b is negative 1. Plus c equal to 0. Now 2 times 1 is 2. Now plus negative 1 is minus 1. Plus c equal to 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Plus c equal to 0. C is equal to 0 minus 1. C is also equal to negative 1. Okay, now we know both A, B, we know all A, B, and C. So we can plug them into this expression here, right? The A, B, and C. So A is 1. So we have 1 over x plus, now B is negative 1. So here, negative 1 over x plus 1. Negative 1 over x plus 1 plus, now c is also negative 1. So negative 1 over x plus 1 square, right? All square. Negative 1 over x plus 1 all square. Okay, so that's the decomposed form of the original integral here. So we can continue with the integral. Integral, right? dx. Okay. Of course, plus a negative number is just minusing, right? It's subtracting that number, right? So that's equal to integral of 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 all square dx. Now we can integrate each term individually. So let's do this. Integral of 1 over x dx minus integral of 1 over x plus 1 dx minus integral of 1 over x plus 1 square dx. Now, integral of 1 over x is an easy integral. That is equal to ln of x. And I will put the absolute value sign here. Minus integral of 1 over x plus 1 is ln of x plus 1. minus integral of 1 over x plus 1 all squared. So what is this? Let's look at this one here. Integral of 1 over x plus 1 all squared dx. That's the same as integral of x plus 1 to the power of negative 2 dx. Now, since the exponent inside the bracket is just 1 here, so you can do this. You can add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, and that's equal to x plus 1 to the power of negative 1 divided by negative 1. And that's the same as negative 1 over x plus 1, right? Because this is a negative exponent, it will move this term to the denominator. Okay, so this I will write here. So minus negative 1 over x plus 1. This one. And of course, minus is a plus. So I can rewrite this as ln of x minus ln of x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. Are we done? Yes, we're done. So we can plus c now. Okay, so this is the integral of one over x cubed plus 2x squared plus x. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.